You guys, let's wake up my dog so we can take a picture of him so we can color it. Okay, pose for the camera. And watch this. Now I can sit here for hours and paint a photo of my dog. Let's start filling in all the brown. So I'm going to click number 11 and then we're going to literally fill in everything that has an 11. Oh, this is so